Well, hello everybody.
Hi. We thought you might be looking for what essential oils help with a hangover or what you can do to help a hangover immediately. So, by the end of this video, we will have 5 essential oils for hangovers and a few tips for what helps with getting rid of a hangover quickly. Sounds good,
Sounds
right?
good, sure.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Faye
And
Epps.
I'm Joel Apps.
I'm a nutritionist, a certified holistic health coach, and an essential oil educator. Stick around because I'll share my hangover essential oil roller bottle blend as well as the hangover essential oil hangover diffuser blend at the end of this video. I've been teaching for about 10 years about the power of essential oils, and along the way have picked up different tips and tricks for using the essential oils, including how to use essential oils for a hangover. So, what essential oils are best for a hangover? Well, our number one pick is peppermint. Peppermint is like all around good oil to have in your first aid kit. Now, as far as hangovers go, peppermint with its soothing, cooling effect is really good for helping with those headaches that often come with maybe indulging a little too much or that neck and head tension. Peppermint works really well. Studies have shown that it's very effective at helping with that head tension. Number 2 essential oil for a hangover is lavender. Where is this baby? Lavender. Lavender is referred to as the Swiss Army knife of essential oils because of its many uses. So lavender combined with peppermint essential oil is really good for that head tension that we talked about that often accompanies indulging a little too much it helps with hangover. Also, lavender is very effective for reducing anxious feelings, and often anxious feelings or shakiness can come with hangovers. Lavender essential oil also helps to reduce blood pressure and heart rate. So again, a very good one to use for helping with hangover. The third essential oil for hangovers is ginger, or my preference is doTERRA's Digestion Blend. The Digestion Blend contains ginger and also cardamom and coriander and fennel, which help with soothing those occasional upset stomach and nauseous feelings that can accompany a hangover. It also contains peppermint, anise, and caraway, which is really good for supporting proper digestion and helping with gas and bloating. So digestion is one of our favorites. By the way, this essential oil is also really good for motion sickness. Yep. The fourth essential oil for hangovers is lemon essential oil. Hangovers often leave you feeling sluggish and unmotivated the next day. Well, citrus oils, like lemon, are really very good for mood uplifting and also for energizing you. Couple that with the peppermint, and it's very nice for helping to boost energy as well as the mood. Also, the lemon essential oil is really good for supporting the liver in helping to metabolize the alcohol and also for removing waste products. So it's a natural detoxer. Yep. The fifth essential oil for hangovers is rosemary. It's not always easy to focus after a little too much to drink, and rosemary essential oil is really good to use for hangovers because it actually helps with focus. Now, couple that with lemon, and it's especially powerful. Studies have shown that rosemary plus lemon is not only really good for focus, but also for memory and for for getting rid of that brain fog and improving cognitive function. So now you might be wondering, where do I put the essential oils for a hangover? Or maybe you want to know how to use the essential oils for a hangover. Right? And so one, I like this hangover essential oil roller bottle blend. And all you need, 10 milliliter roller bottle and fractionated coconut oil. And then you'll put in here 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of frankincense, and 5 drops of rosemary. And then you'll just top it off, fill up the rest with the fractionated coconut oil, and you can use this rollerball blend to help with head tension as well as focus issues. Put it on your temples, across your forehead, back of your neck. Now, the other thing that I like is essential oils hangover diffuser blend. Using, right? These
I thought you were
oils,
going to call it hangover diffuser.
diffuser blend, which is 2 drops of peppermint, 2 drops lemon, 2 drops rosemary, and 2 drops frankincense. You can diffuse this before bedtime, you can diffuse it while sleeping, and then as needed the next day. Just use throughout the day.
Wow, so you could drink to your heart's content and then diffuse all that
No,
all night and it'll be fine.
no one said you'll be fine, but it will help reduce a lot of the symptoms
Okay.
that accompany a hangover.
Good.
And then a couple other ways to use the oils that we talked about. Lemon essential oil is great to put in your water, about 1 drop per 8 ounces, and you can drink it throughout the day. I love to do 2 drops in about 16 ounces first thing in the morning to help with flushing the lymph system and the liver to just get your system kind of cleaned out. So I would recommend that, and then you can drink it throughout the day as well. The digestion can also be added to water. I don't mind the taste. You're like so-so about it, huh? It does have a licorice taste because of the anise in there, and a little, touch of spiciness with
Sure.
the
But when I have a
ginger,
stomachache, it
but
tastes really good.
exactly. You can use about 2 ounces of water, put a drop in, take it like a shot. It will help settle your stomach, help with those nauseous feelings. You can also take a couple of drops, mix it with the fractionated coconut oil, and just rub it on your abdominal area
Yeah.
to help calm your stomach. Now, here are a few tips to help a hangover immediately. So this one, drink plenty of fluids. Often that hangover comes from being dehydrated, so try to drink plenty of fluids, and the tip is to drink a large glass of water before you go to bed. Also, get some carbohydrates in your system to help with drop in blood sugar. 3, take a B complex vitamin. B complex helps with metabolizing the alcohol. And tip number 4 is use 2 On Guard Plus soft gels to help support your immune system. Alcohol can depress your immune system, and so this is just a way to support it. Now, if this has been helpful so far, we'd love for you to click that like or give us some hearts. And on YouTube, click subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, if you don't have an essential oils kit yet, we have included links to our 2 most popular kits of essential oils to help you get started right away. The links are in the description. Now, if you would like to learn more about how to use essential oils effectively and the best ways to save money on doTERRA essential oils, we invite you to click on the link of our essential oils introductory class that we will put in the description. And lastly, if we missed anything in this video or you need some clarification, please drop us a comment. We love to answer your questions. Thank you. We hope this has been helpful. And for now, peace out.
Peace out, everybody.